Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find week 3 of the movie guide Bubbles in Heartopia. So let's view riddles here. The first one says, Riddle, taste of sea salt. Tasting the first bite of savory popcorn, Bill was reminded of the salty sea breeze brushing against his face while resting under a camping umbrella in the fishing village. So that's the clue to the first riddle. And then for the second one, it says the sweet caramel popcorn leaves Massimo, itching to rush back and whip up another batch. So make sure you've clicked on the riddles first. I think taste of sea salt. I think we are going to go to the fishing village first. So let's go there. And as you can see, there is a bubble over here near like the fishing event, the sea fishing event, like above this like umbrella. So here's where it is on the map. So just go ahead and pop that bubble. And then the second bubble will be next to Massimo's like stall here on this area here. So here's where it is on the map. And you're just going to pop that bubble again. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!